In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Smartsheet. Publishing a Smartsheet is a great way to share information with people who don't need full editing access, or who might not even have a Smartsheet account. It lets you create a read-only or limited access view of your sheet, or report that you can share via a link, or even embed on a website or intranet page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to look for and what to click. First, open the Smartsheet item you want to publish. This might be a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. Make sure you're on the correct one, and that any data you're about to share is ready for others to see, since publishing can expose it to a wider audience depending on your settings. Once your sheet or report is open in the grid view, look toward the upper right area of the screen. There you'll see a small icon associated with publishing options. It typically looks like a globe or a similar publish symbol. This is the publish icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. Clicking the publish icon opens a panel or dialog where you can manage how this Smartsheet item is shared publicly. If you don't yet have the right type of license or permissions to publish, you may see an option that indicates you can't publish directly. In that case, Smartsheet will prompt you with an action you can take. Here you'll see a button labeled Request License. This appears when your account doesn't currently have the required license level to use the publish feature. To move forward, click on Request License. When you click Request License, Smartsheet will typically send a notification or request to your account administrator or the person who manages licenses in your organization. This lets them know that you need additional access to publish sheets or reports. Depending on how your company is set up, they may review your request, confirm that publishing is appropriate for your role, and then upgrade your license or adjust your permissions. After you've submitted that request, it's a good idea to follow up with your admin if you need publishing access urgently. Once your license is granted, you can return to the same sheet, click the publish icon again, and at that point you'll be able to configure your publish settings, such as whether the link is read only, whether viewers can export, and who can access it. And that's it for this walkthrough on how to publish a Smartsheet and how to